Hey guys, it's me, Okao here, bringing you another game. Today we are playing Risk of Rain. So we're going to get right into a single player. Let's go with, I don't really know these characters too well. What does a miner do? What the heck? Engineer, Commando, Bandit, Enforcer, Huntress. What's this guy? Hondi? Well, I think I'll go with the Mercenary. So, pretty simple controls, left, right. Pretty sure. There's my sword. Okay, that's one guy down. Okay, I think I got this. That's it. Let's go. Oh, nope, jellyfish thingies. Shoot. That jellyfish, oh wow. Lesson up really high. Ooh. Stuff I can buy. And I don't even know what this stuff is. There's more over here. Medkits and stuff. Okay. Oh. Okay, so I can buy one of these. Knife. Chance to bleed on hit. Okay. Let's buy a medkit. Great heal after being hit. Okay, so I can heal myself now. That's good. That's good news. Stop it. There we go. Oh, my money. This delayed healing thing is great. Now, come back. I'll slice you up. Back. Okay. Oh, you got this. Laser sword. Yeah. Gosh. What the heck is this stuff? Something goes for every enemy on the screen. Oh, how do I use this? Oh, go see. I like this ghost thing. Friendly people. Very good. Okay, nothing. What's this? Oh, it's a drone. Okay. Wait. More rock dudes. Yeah, I'm not gonna die this early. That move is amazing. Just absolutely destroys him. Is this a drone? Please send a drone. Yes. Purchase chest. I think I'll let these guys handle it. Nah. I had that. So let's see what's over here. More ropes. Yeah, flip. Okay, candy cage. can't see. You. I am pressing you. Oh. I like this one better. Okay, so I can take fall damage. Okay, we'll keep that in mind. Okay, so climbing is like the worst part of this game. There we go. We got this. Let's go back this way. I need to find a portal to the next level. There are multiple levels and worlds with the harder stuff. You jerk, you gave me nothing. Oh, fire guy. I hate those. These guys lava. There's a delayed healing effect. Amazing. Up deep. So let's see what's over here. More items. These health regeneration, so I am amazing. Oh gosh, there's so many of them. Run, run, no, no. Get away from me. Yeah, that's right. Come on, go sing these. This isn't there. What's in here? What the heck? Oh, 20 bucks. Nice. Shades. Chance to do double damage. Okay. So I have to go up, I guess. Okay. Drones were pretty useless anyways. I am so lost. Tell me. I'm so lost. Help. No, no, no. Ow, that hurt. Climb, 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 climb. I can't even ward these guys. Okay. Let's try climbing up. Let's go to the left. Let's avoid falling in holes like idiots. That was quick. Oh yes, here it is. Here it is. Yes. Oh, it's wrong side. Okay, am I mentally ready for the boss fight? I'm pretty sure I'm physically ready. Oh, I think I need to take care of these guys first. What the heck? They're actually everywhere. Get away from me. Oh, oh my health. Oh gosh, that was really close. That was really close. Now, what do I do? What do I do? Wait. Plan of action. Get in there. Wait, I can use this, right? Yeah, help me. Save me. These guys are lifesavers down there. Colossus? Okay, I got this. There's nothing this guy can really do. Wait, is there giant colossus? Oh, there isn't. Oh, it's going laggy. Wait, I can hit this guy from here. I am extremely lucky. Oh, run, run, run. I know, I know. If I die here, I swear to God, I'd be mad. Okay. Oh, I have to kill him, really? Sway. Good thing I'm extremely okay. Oh, dodging. Let's use this. I really need to heal my health right now. There's 6 enemies left. Okay. 4. Shoot. If I can't finish this, I'll do it off camera. Get to next level. Okay, let's get to the next place. Oh gosh, I have so much money now. I don't know what to do with it all. But maybe I gotta climb a stupid ladder. Okay, so I'll end this episode off, and I'll be in the next what